Hi guys, hope you're doing good. This is Janani. Today I'm going to make a Mediterranean dish called Shakshuka. Shakshuka is nothing but poached eggs simmered in tomato stew. Let's see how to make this Shakshuka. Let's prepare all the ingredients. Take an onion, chop it finely. Make sure you get 1 cup of chopped onion. Take 1 red bell pepper. Cut them into small pieces. Make sure you remove all the seeds. Chop it finely and transfer it to a bowl. Now take 5 large tomatoes weighing around 24 ounces. Chop them finely into small pieces. You can use fresh or canned tomatoes too. After cutting 5 tomatoes, I am getting 3 full cups of chopped tomato. All the ingredients are ready. Let's start preparing. Now take an instant pot, select the saute mode, set the temperature to medium and click on start. When the instant pot is hot enough, add 3 tablespoons of peanut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Add 2 pods of garlic chopped finely. Add 1 cup of onion. Saute the onions very well in the oil for few minutes until the onion changes its color. It takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onion gets caramelized, add the chopped bell pepper. Saute the bell pepper for few seconds. You don't need to cook it for a longer time. And then add the chopped tomatoes. Mix the tomatoes well with onion and bell pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt as required. Finally, I am adding 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, which is completely optional. I want my shakshuka to be spicy, so I am adding red chilli powder. If you don't like spicier version, please skip red chilli powder. Mix everything thoroughly and close the instant pot. Now select the pressure cook mode, set the timer to 3 minutes and click on start. When it's done, wait for 10 minutes and then release the pressure manually. Now the tomatoes has released lot of water. Again select the saute mode, set the temperature to medium and click on start. Let the sauce get simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. When it becomes little thick, crack open eggs in a small bowl and gently add these eggs into the pot. Make sure it is not breaking. Please like, share and subscribe InstaMom for more instant pot recipes. Close it with a lid. Let the eggs get cooked for 1 to 2 minutes. If you want your eggs to be fully cooked, cook for 5 minutes. If you want a runny egg yolk, you have to stop cooking in 1 minute and remove the inner vessel from the instant pot. After 1 minute, sprinkle little bit of freshly ground pepper. Remember, even after switching off, the egg gets cooked in the retained heat. Garnish it with parsley or cilantro. I don't want my eggs to be fully cooked, so I'm just removing it from the instant pot. That's it. Super delicious shakshuka is ready. Just dip a bread in the sauce, add some egg. Super delicious shakshuka is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before you go, I have some tips to share with you guys. If you want to add minced meat or spinach, you can go ahead and add it after adding the tomatoes. Just add the tomatoes and then add the minced meat or spinach and close the instant pot and cook it as usual, and then add the eggs and cook it for few minutes. That's it. Also, you can top it with feta cheese if you want. These are the variation you can do it with shakshuka. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. Please like, share and subscribe InstaMom for more instant pot recipes. Bye guys. Stay tuned. Stay happy.